from this side down, you know?
Yeah, that's right down. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Everything. Down, right? You can more down. Yeah. Okay. So take off socks just a little time. Wow, very tight. Yeah, very hot. Okay, we'll just fly. Okay, once. This one also. Okay, we are back. Then you can stand up, sit down the chair.
Okay.
Sit down the chair. Okay, let me see. Okay, like this. Okay, good. You see, remember, if you every time feel problem, right? You every day do by yourself.
Okay.
Like 100, 200 times.
Okay.
You do, okay? Like you do like 50 or 100, you relax. Then like another 1 hour or tomorrow, whatever you do, okay? Another like 100, 200, right? Then you know this is not tired. They soft. The leg always, you see, right? When you know, heavy, right? You stand up, wow, everything, the weight coming maybe, 150 pounds, right? Yeah, right, so too heavy. How you feel? It's okay? Better, right? Yeah. Circulation,
Going on for like 1 month now.
Huh?
It's over 1 month. It's feeding me every day.
Every day, huh?
Yeah, for 1 month now. Feel the pace well.
You feel better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I tell the way how to do. Yeah. Otherwise, you don't know how to do. The problem is very easy. You just do like this. Okay? A lot of people, they working, they stand up like, like a big company. They sell the clothes. Everybody, 8 hours, 10 hours, can't sit down, right? So, this leg is always tired. Yeah, always tired. You just every day you do. Here is not much, right?
Yeah.
Only here, right? Yeah. How many days? How many hours you working?
8 hours.
8 hours. How many days?
5 days.
5 days. Okay, change another leg. Okay, you just sit down, up, right? You stand up. Okay. A chair. Yeah. Up here, right? Yeah. 1 second. So another chair. Before is the left side, right?
Yeah.
Now is the right side. Right side, I do same thing. Easy way. Today you like it, you come over there, then you see, then I come in.
Well, that's my problem.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I mean. How you feel? Better, right? How long this problem? You say 9 years? No, about 2 months now.
2 months now?
Yeah.
Oh. So before you don't have this problem?
No, I didn't have it.
Oh.
I don't know why it came just like that.
Oh. So it's not too long,
No,
right?
not too
Yeah,
long.
not too long. It's then now
Always I take pain relief, like Advil and so on,
Oh.
That is not helping.
Oh, you made the pill,
Yeah.
medicine, right?
Yeah.
Oh, not working, right?
No, it-
Yeah, only this one working, right?
Yeah.
So now you know how to do, right?
Yeah.
You see, everywhere you feel pain, you just do.
Yeah.
You can do many different ways, right? This one, or this one, or this one, okay? Or this one, okay? Whatever you think which way is good, right? Yeah.
Massaging is good.
Yeah, massage is good, right? Yeah. But you just know how to do the right way. Yeah. If you not do the right way, still no good. Yeah. Okay, much better, huh?
It's,
Yeah, okay. Okay. That's it. For next time, if I saw you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.